AI smart glasses aren't just a concept anymore. They're here, they're real, and they're becoming smarter every single day. In 2026, we're seeing a new wave of incredible smart eyewear that goes far beyond simple notifications. These glasses can translate languages in real time, guide you through unfamiliar streets, summarize meetings, recognize objects around you, record your day, and even run AI assistants that respond naturally, all without needing to look at a screen. In this video, we'll break down the 10 most incredible AI smart glasses of 2026, who's making them, what they can actually do, and which ones are getting closer than ever to replacing your phone, your camera, and maybe even your laptop. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an early adopter, or just curious about where wearable technology is heading next, you're not ready for this. If there's one pair of smart glasses that actually feels like the future, it's the XREAL Air 2 Ultra. At first, you might think they're just another pair of high-end sunglasses. Slip them on and turn them on though, and everything changes. These aren't here to swap out your regular glasses. They're here to ditch the screens you've been glued to. Forget juggling a laptop, monitor, or even your phone. The Air 2 Ultra launches big, crisp, virtual displays that float right in your line of sight. You're not cramming yet another bulky device into your bag. Either your screens just come with you. What really makes these glasses stand out is the way they understand your space. With advanced environmental sensors and 6 degrees of freedom tracking, they actually know where you are and how you move. Your virtual windows stay put as you walk around. Stuff doesn't float off weirdly, and everything just feels grounded and natural. The hand tracking is even cooler. Instead of fiddling with a controller, you just gesture. Flick a menu open, resize a screen, drag your digital workspace. Suddenly, you're not just using a gadget, you're interacting with your environment. Entertainment's a total win, too. Watching a movie feels like sitting in your own private IMAX. Gamers get a giant display anywhere, no extra hardware. Even boring stuff like handling email or browsing the web gets better when you can line up a bunch of screens and jump between them. And comfort? No worries. The frame's light enough for all-day wear. Those micro-OLED displays stay sharp and punchy, whether you're indoors or out in bright sun. Developers are all over this thing too, building everything from mixed reality experiences to creative and productivity apps. The list just keeps growing. XREAL isn't chasing the same old camera-first or voice assistant tricks. They've got bigger plans, a world where your whole digital life lives around you, not on a tiny rectangle in your hand. If you're really curious about where augmented reality is going, the Air 2 Ultra lays out the path better than just about anything else right now. Viture's Luma Ultra XR isn't just another pair of flashy smart glasses. Sure, they look sleek, but what makes them stand out is how they blend digital tools right into your everyday space. Other smart glasses basically put a single, floating screen in front of your face. The Luma Ultra XR steps it up. You can pop open a document on one side, keep a video playing nearby, and scroll through a website somewhere else. And all of this lives around your actual room. You don't lose sight of the real world. Suddenly, multitasking doesn't feel awkward, it just feels natural. The visuals are really sharp. The Luma Ultra XR uses high-res micro-OLED displays, so you get those rich colors, real blacks, and crisp details, whether you're watching a movie, editing a spreadsheet, or tearing through a game. Everything looks clear, but never over the top or exhausting. Then there's comfort. You don't get that heavy, awkward feeling you find with bigger headsets. The Luma Ultra XR is lightweight and balanced, making it easy to wear for long stretches, on a plane, at work, or just relaxing at home. Honestly, the Luma Ultra XR shows that the future of smart glasses isn't all about AI or hidden cameras. Sometimes the magic is just about making your digital world feel bigger and closer than ever. The real trick with smart glasses isn't cramming in more tech, it's making all that tech fade into the background. That's what the Raineo X3 Pro sets out to do. They don't make you look like you stepped out of a sci-fi movie. Instead, you can put these on and pretty much just go about your day. Meanwhile, you get instant access to AI, augmented reality, and hands-free info. Most folks won't even notice anything out of the ordinary. So, what grabs your attention first? The display. Thanks to some slick waveguide optics, bright digital images pop up right in your line of sight, but they don't block your view of the real world. A message? Directions? A quick translation? Those show up when you need them and disappear before they get annoying. Honestly, it doesn't feel like staring at a mini screen. It's more like helpful little pop-ups. They're just there when you need a nudge. Now, the AI assistant is where things get interesting. Need to ask a question, summarize a conversation, set a reminder, or translate a language? Just say it. No need to reach for your phone. The glasses do the heavy lifting so your hands can stay busy with other things. Raineo also put some thought into comfort. The frame's light and easy to wear all day, not something you toss back in the case after a few minutes. Open-ear speakers pump in your calls, tunes, or AI tips, but you can still hear what's happening around you, so you won't miss a honk or someone saying hi. Enjoying the countdown so far? Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss what's next. Meta showed the world that smart glasses aren't just for tech geeks. Now, they're shifting focus. The Oakley Meta Vanguard is for anyone who'd rather be outside moving than stuck at a desk. So if you spend your time cycling, running, or hiking, these are made with you in mind. You notice it right away. The design isn't shy about what it is. These don't pretend to be regular shades. The wraparound Oakley frame feels solid and stable, ready for sprints and mountain trails. Athletes will recognize that toughness in a second. But let's talk smarts. Meta AI is ready whenever you are. Ask for directions, send a message, or satisfy your curiosity, hands-free. All you do is talk. And the camera? Super handy. Shooting photos or video is easy. You stay in your stride and save the moment. No stopping, no digging out your phone, just capture and keep moving. Sound matters too. Open-ear speakers mean you stay aware of cars, people, everything around you, all while getting your music, calls, or step-by-step navigation. Runners and riders know how important that is. Battery life really counts here. These aren't just for short demos at a tech show. The Vanguard can go the extra mile, or several, so you don't worry about your glasses quitting before you do. The real difference with the Oakley Meta Vanguard isn't some brand new technology. It's that all these features finally come in a package you actually want to wear while moving. The tech adapts to you, not the other way around. Even Reality's G2. Most smart glasses want to wow you with cameras, dazzling screens, and way too many bells and whistles. The Even Reality's G2? It does the opposite. These glasses aren't about turning your face into a smartphone. They give you just what you need, right when you need it, and nothing more. That focus on simplicity makes them stand out as some of the cleanest and most practical smart glasses you'll find in 2026. Honestly, if you didn't know better, you'd never even notice they're smart glasses. They look just like a nice pair of everyday frames. You can wear them anywhere, at work, grabbing coffee, or in meetings without anyone batting an eye. Tucked inside is a tiny monochrome waveguide display that quietly feeds information into your line of sight. No clutter, no distractions. Just clean text for things like notifications, reminders, navigation, translations, and quick AI replies. The AI here is all about real-world usefulness. Paired with your phone, the G2 answers questions, summarizes emails, translates conversations, and serves up just the info you need, all through voice commands. You're not ditching your phone, but you will notice you're reaching for it a lot less. One feature that really stands out? The live teleprompter. If you're giving a presentation, filming something, or just trying to nail a speech, the glasses scroll your script out of sight of everyone else. Very few smart glasses offer anything like it, and the G2's just comfortable. The frames are light, closer to regular glasses than the chunky smart frames most companies are pushing. Bottom line, the G2 proves smart glasses don't have to shout for your attention to be genuinely useful. Sometimes the very best tech is the kind you forget you're even wearing. Tech companies have been chasing the same dream for years. How do you put useful info in front of people without strapping a giant gadget to their face? Halliday thinks it's cracked it. Ditching bulky displays, the Halliday AI glasses rely on a tiny projection module that beams info through a discrete display near the frame. The result? These glasses look just about as normal as your regular pair, and nothing screams tech demo. That little display turns into your personal command center. Messages, reminders, translations, directions, AI answers, notes, they pop up instantly without ever getting in the way or blocking out the real world. Most bystanders won't even realize you're glancing at a screen. AI is really at the core here. The glasses tap into advanced language models so you can ask questions, get summaries, fire off responses, or even get live help in meetings without pulling out your phone. Just talk, and the answers appear in front of you like magic. Translation is another strong suit. As you chat, translations show up right away. Talking to someone who speaks another language feels easier and more natural, life-saving if you travel a lot or work with global teams. Halliday also offers tools for meetings, think automatic summaries, notes, and help organizing everything you just discussed. Battery life? Surprisingly solid. The display sips power compared to the giant AR visors out there, and the frames are light enough that you'll forget you're wearing them. Open-ear speakers let you listen to music, take calls, and hear AI feedback while still staying aware of your surroundings. What really makes Halliday stand out isn't any wild AR wizardry. It's just how subtle the whole package is. By shrinking the display until it almost disappears, Halliday isn't chasing after a sci-fi future, it's betting on a pair of glasses you'll actually want to put on every morning. And seeing how much attention these glasses are getting, that bet looks pretty smart. Most people hear smart glasses and think about AI tricks or social media filters. Rokid Max 2 flips that idea on its head. These glasses aren't about showing off, they're about giving you a massive personal screen, anywhere you want it. Slip them on, plug into your phone, laptop, or console, and suddenly you're staring at what feels like a wall-sized display hanging in midair. Watching movies at 35,000 feet, editing documents in a cramped hotel room, playing games without lugging around a monitor, it all works, and it feels oddly natural, like the screen has always been there. The magic comes from Sony's high-res micro-OLED panels tucked inside. The picture looks razor-sharp, colors pop. Blacks are actually black, not washed-out gray. Scrolling through text or catching fast action in a game, it all stays buttery smooth thanks to a speedy refresh rate. And while older models stayed focused on being a private theater, the Max 2 does more. There's a built-in voice assistant that lets you change settings, start apps, or ask questions just by talking. They haven't forgotten about eye health either. The screen is designed to stay gentle on your eyes, even if you get sucked into a long movie or marathon work session. But really, what stands out is how Rokid isn't trying to replace your phone. They're using it as a launch pad. Your laptop's tiny screen morphs into a giant workspace. Movies turn into private theater screenings. Even handheld games suddenly feel like they're on a big TV you can pack in your bag. Some companies want to sell you the smart glasses of the future. Vuzix? They'd rather invent the future and let other brands slap their names on it. The Ultralight Pro is proof. These glasses aren't flashy and they don't try to wow you with giant screens or hidden cameras. Instead, Vuzix gets the under-the-hood stuff right, the parts you don't really notice but absolutely rely on. Their secret weapon? A waveguide optical system. Instead of sticking a chunky screen in front of your face, they beam digital info from micro-LED projectors through slim, see-through waveguides baked into the lenses. You see navigation, notifications, translations, and quick AI answers floating in your view, but nothing blocks out the world. It feels seamless. Outside in bright sunlight, the info still shows up clear and easy to read. Most smart glasses can't pull that off. The brains are mostly in the cloud, not jammed in the glasses. Ask for directions or a meeting summary, AI handles it, but your glasses stay light and your battery lasts longer. Open-ear speakers mean you hear updates or make calls without losing awareness of what's happening around you. There's real-life practicality too. Prescription lenses? No problem. Lightweight frame? You bet. Easy Bluetooth pairing and all-day wear? That's the point. You're meant to use these for hours, not just show them off and toss them in a drawer. But the cleverest part isn't even in the glasses. Vuzix spends as much energy licensing its optical tech as it does selling its own products. They're betting that someday, when you slip on a pair of AI smart glasses from any number of brands, you could actually be using Vuzix hardware, whether you know it or not. Most smart glasses can't do much without your phone. Brilliant Labs wants to flip that script. Their frame glasses aren't just a souped-up Bluetooth headset. These are lightweight, almost discreet, and built around one big idea: weaving AI into your everyday life so naturally you don't even notice it's there. Out of all the smart glasses out right now, these are truly different. You probably wouldn't pick them out in a crowd. The minimal look is on purpose, more classic eyewear than futuristic gadget. But don't let that simplicity fool you. Inside, there's a lot going on. All that info pops up on a micro-OLED display right under your nose. No massive pop-ups getting in your way. Just a subtle dash of insight when you want it, so you never have to tune out the world to use the tech. There's something else that sets these glasses apart. They're open source. Developers can play around, add features, build apps, and tweak the software any way they want. That's turned the frame into a kind of playground for AI tinkerers who like experimenting and pushing the limits of what AI wearables can actually do. Voice controls, onboard sensors, visual recognition, the whole package just feels smart without the heft. Brilliant Labs isn't aiming to replace your phone right away. Instead, these glasses act more like an AI sidekick, always there, ready to answer your next question or lend a hand. It's a totally different take on wearable tech. Instead of loading you down with gimmicks, the frame just focuses on keeping AI right there. Simple, useful, always ready. If you're curious about where AI and wearables are headed, this is honestly one of the clearest windows into that future. Early sincere AI glasses. It's funny, the most intriguing smart glasses on the market right now don't come from some tech giant. They come from a brand you've probably never heard of before. The early sincere AI glasses show you don't have to drop huge money to get something that feels refined. What really stands out is how normal they look. But it's not just about looks. The open-ear speakers are surprisingly punchy. Rich audio for music, podcasts, calls, whatever, and you still hear everything around you. The touch controls on the arms are quick to learn. Volume, songs, calls, trigger the assistant. It's all simple and fast. Their live translation feature deserves a shout out too. These glasses support over 160 languages and can translate back and forth with surprising speed. Super handy for travel, business, or anytime you're bridging a language gap. They also play nice with Siri on iPhones and Google Assistant on Android. Just tap, ask your question, and you're off. Directions, texts, weather, smart home controls, all without digging out your phone. Comfort? No issues. The frames are light enough for all-day wear, and the style just works. Nothing shouty, nothing weird. They feel like real sunglasses, not some beta test wearable. So that's the lineup. 10 of the most advanced AI smart glasses you'll find in 2026. They do more than you'd expect. Acting as AI assistants, translating languages as you speak, giving you immersive displays, and letting you compute completely hands-free. Wearable tech isn't just some futuristic side project anymore. Smart glasses are stepping into the spotlight. If this is what they're capable of now, you can only guess how far they'll go in a few more years.